Hello everybody, this is TD Bob coming at you from Chiang Mai, Thailand. A huge shout out to our subscribers. They are absolutely the internet's best. Today's video is about coming to Thailand and riding motorcycles or scooters and what is involved. From beginner to Hell's Angel, Thailand has a world-class motorcycle experience. I don't want to tell anyone how to ride, but I do want to tell you what to expect. This is the view from the side street. The mailbox, the phone booth, another phone booth, and a signpost make it really hard to judge traffic coming from this direction. Okay, we got loose gravel here on this curve. Now this is what can happen if you come around a curve in Thailand. It is a curve. This is something a lot of people have trouble with when they come to Thailand. Thailand will make a curve that increases elevation or decreases elevation substantially more than the road statutes allow in the States. So what you come up with is, this is a hard climb, and if you choke down, you're going to fall in that ditch on the other side of the road if you're on a motorcycle. stretch of road west of Samoing. And this is an example of some of the landslides that the monsoons have been causing this year. It hasn't been as bad in Thailand as it's been some. Here, when these rocks fell, this is one of those times when I have to stop and wait until somebody comes along and I can ask directions. As you can see, there's a word or two in English over here, but there's no indication of which way to go.
Okay, are you sure? Sure?
Slow.
Oh no. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Goodbye. Good luck.
Yes, thank you. I think I need.